Hey everyone, we are so excited because today we are on this gorgeous Brooklyn Brownstone street. Today we are taking inside this stunning brownstone behind me, but before we take you inside, we're gonna let you know why we're here because it might not be what you think.
So this is not one of our renovation projects. This is actually the current home of one of our future clients that just bought a beautiful townhouse in the Upper West Side, and we are gonna fully restore and renovate it. But first, we need to sell their current house. And a lot of people don't know, but I'm actually a real estate agent on a Compass team as well. So we specialize in helping people buy and sell brownstones and townhouses all over New York City. So we're super excited to have this new listing on the market. It's a beautiful house and we can't wait to show you inside. So 439A Monroe is a two-family house, and we have a 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom duplex over a garden rental that is a 2-bed, 1-bath. And here we are on the parlor floor. It is a gorgeous open space with lots of light coming in from both sides. Super useful storage here under the stairs. We have a powder room right here on the parlor floor. We have a laundry closet, and check out this backyard. It is fully landscaped with a deck perfect for entertaining that flows seamlessly into the yard. Now let me take you upstairs and show you the 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and this gorgeous skylight with all this beautiful natural light. So the first thing I want to show you up here is the primary bedroom. And this is Colin, by the way. He's on my real estate team at Compass. He's my real estate partner in crime. This primary bedroom even has its own ensuite bathroom. To the back of the home, there's 2 additional bedrooms that are flooded with natural light. Finally, we have a full bathroom equipped with a tub. So you won't believe what is down here. Come check this out. On the garden floor, we have a completely separate apartment. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. It can be rented out for additional income, or it can be used as a separate suite. There's one more floor we want to show you. There's a fully finished cellar where you can cozy up and watch a movie, and there's so much built-in storage. We hope that you love this house as much as we do. It is on the market, so it can be yours, so come out and take a look. We have the link below where you can get more information on the house and schedule a tour or check out when the open houses are. And if you have a house that you want to sell or an apartment that you want to sell, or if you're in the market to buy a place, go to our website and reach out. We would love to help.